Hello friends, today we shall discuss about topic the project planning. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So friend, project planning is basically a phase in the project management, and just think of this as a roadmap. Like for example, if you are going somewhere, like for example you are planning to go outside from the country, so you must have some roadmap in your mind that how will you do all those things. So project planning is just like creating a roadmap. So it is the phase in the project management where you figure out exactly what you need to do, how you will do it, and when it needs to be done. So project planning is the process of defining the scope, like what needs to be delivered, what are the objectives, task, resources. Like resources means like human resources, physical resources, budget, uh, means financial finance, and the timelines for a project. So all those things are included in the project planning. So how will you manage all those things actually? So the key step in the project planning phase is first is the defining the project scope. Like friend, just imagine that you are planning a birthday party for your friend, for example. So you need to decide what the party will include, for example the food, decoration, entertainment, and the guest list. So all those things will be defined properly. So that is called as the scoping of the project actually. Then setting objective means like what you want to achieve. For like for example, you want to achieve a very good, very fun based event and a memorable experience for all the friends and family member, and for the birthday person and the guest. Then creating the work breakdown structure, or WBS. The breakdown structure means that you divide the work into smaller tasks, like manageable components. For example, you will decide that you have to send the invitation to the friends and family members, ordering the food, decorating the venue, and planning the activities. So all those things are basically part of the work breakdown structure. Then estimating resources means resource is basically a person. It could be a human resource, it could be a physical resource as well. So you will determine that how many resources or which type of resources will be required for each task. For example, that how many balloons you will be required for the birthday party, what type of food or how much food will be required, how many hours of entertainment will be required. After that, you will schedule the task. That means creating a timeline for each task, like sending the invitation 2 weeks before the birthday party, ordering a food a week in advance, and decorating the venue the day before. So these are the timelines. Then assigning the responsibilities means that you will decide who will be responsible for each task. For example, assigning one person to handle the card invitations, another for to coordinate for the food, and another to oversee the decorations. Then budgeting means that you will allocate funds for each aspect of the party. For example, for food, decoration, entertainment, and any other expenses, you must have to allocate the fund for each activity. Then a risk assessment means that you have to identify that if anything goes wrong, so what you will do. Like for example, if there is a rainy weather or bad weather is there, the food not receive on time, or any unexpected cancellations are there, or planning how to mitigate them if that risk occurs, so how will you manage that. Then creating a project plan means that putting everything together into a detailed plan that outlines all the tasks, resources, timelines, responsibilities, and budget for the birthday party. Normally we use Microsoft Project for making the project plan. So this is basically all about project planning. Then basically the output of the whole phase of the project planning is that you have a clear and a detailed plan that guides the execution of the project. Everyone involved knows what needs to be done, and when it needs to be done, and how it will be managed. Project planning is like creating a blueprint for your project, outlining all the steps needed to achieve your goals. It is essential for organizing tasks, managing resources, staying on a schedule, and ultimately delivering a successful outcome, whether it's a birthday party or a business project.